As I'm preparing for a new group of Spanish 1 students next week, I decided to create some of the activities that would normally just be done kind of pencil and paper, but use that with the Weebly website that I have. So here I have some information about la introducción. To begin the class, we always review las reglas and talk about la rutina diaria. So I've embedded my PowerPoint here where I go over the classroom rules with different motions. This is connected to the idea of whole brain teaching to practice those expectations for class. And then I have some slides here that review examples of an introduction activity that would allow the students to create a Google slide called Todo sobre mí. And I've given them examples and vocabulary to use to create their slide, and then also a link here that allows them to go to the shared slide on Google Docs for everyone to complete. So each student will create their own slide, and as they are working on that independently, I'll have it rolling in the front of the class so that everyone can see what different students are sharing. And they're also given an example by me as a model. And with this being kind of a blended learning environment, I think it's good that I'm also able to be there to kind of guide them through those activities. So that would be their the teacher-centered activity that's more of the students working independently. After that, throughout the first week, we'll be practicing los saludos. So I've created a rubric and a conversation template for students to use their notes to create a conversation in a group using the new vocabulary that they've learned. So they'll be able to click on the link for the Google Slides doc as a template for los saludos. If they would like to complete this in a different format, that is acceptable as well, but they're given the guidelines and also the format that they will be graded on to use as a guide. And again, they'll have their notes to use as a reference as well.